Good evening, guys. I hope you had a good day today. Today was an easy day to make money. So we will first talk about what happened today. Today we were clearly bullish. In previous video, I told you that we will be moving up today, and exactly after the testing this level, the market has went up, and it was a clear trend day. In the end, some profit booking came, and that is expected after such big move. Now, what can happen on Tuesday? What are the odds? So first, let's see the data. What's data is telling us? Data, guys, clearly we have a score of 11. Whenever we have a score of 11, it means that the market is bullish, but reversal is coming. Reversal means it's not something that reversal in terms of daily chart, but intraday reversal would be there after in second half. Okay, so right now FIIs have added some bullish position, and these are real bullish position. These are not position which are I mean, there is some hidden thing in that. One problem is there. First we'll discuss this, then I will tell you the one issue that I'm seeing. Still the caution is there. Today, data will give us confidence to go long tomorrow again, but caution is it's still there, and I will tell you why caution is there. Okay, the data looks good. I mean, it's not. Uh, I mean, the maximum quality in terms of direction, but it's good. We can go long at least in the first hour. You will see some upside if global market doesn't give some shock overnight shot. Okay, and I don't think so there is something coming also. So we will be going up tomorrow. I hope we open flat, then the today's high, this high might be tested, and we might broke out from it. And then again, what can happen if we are to open gap up? Then that is a very bullish sign. Obviously we'll open drive would be there, we'll drive to the upside, then halt here, then again come back to these levels. If we are to open gap down, the gap down should not sustain below this, because if we are to sustain below this level, I'm not drawing it because a lot of drawing would come here that will make chart little messy. So if gap down sustain below this, okay, then we will test this level very easily. If we open flat, and then there is a chance of testing this level and going higher. Okay, market is very simple, guys. You don't have, market works like this only. It knows the levels, and the level testing would always be there, because that is what market is built to do. It finds the seller, it finds the buyer. Where it goes down just to see the last seller, and it goes up to see the last buyer. Okay, so right now I think there is more buying left. I can easily see that a lot of buying interest above this, so it will go up. But again, there should not be very big imbalance on the downside that will change things very quickly. But as of now, data is bullish, and we will be looking for bullish position tomorrow. But we have to watch the levels. Below this, market is bound to test this level. If we are, spend some time here, then this level might be tested. Okay. Now, one interesting thing. Uh, I do two kind of analysis. One analysis is what that is intraday. I mean, what happened will tomorrow? How will I trade tomorrow? Most of my money come from that only. But a long term view should be there. I don't trade long term, but we should know what is going on in terms of long term. Long term, again, there is a 50,000 bullish contract that is there. Okay, but look at this. From 10,000 we have came to minus, and today interesting thing is both FIIs and DI have sold. Who bought? Who bought are the retailers. Why retailers? Because market is continuously going up. People are talking about 40k in bank nifty, 20k in nifty, and it seems very possible to the crowd, to the retailers. Why? Because market is continuously going up. Okay, the every beer, every shorter now has become a clear bull. A lot of guys, the new guys I talk to, they always say, call buy kar lo, it will go up. Okay, this is the theme of the market. You buy the call and you will make money, and most of them are making money. But this is the time we should be cautious, and the caution is visible. FIIs are not doing any new buying in terms of cash. They are not investing at this level. And when they are not investing, but they are able to, you know, keep the keep price at the higher level. Why? Because they need to exit it as of now. Because this can change very quickly. We can say 1,000 crore buying tomorrow, then we will say different things. But right now, FIs, DIs both have sold. The retailers have bought. Why retailers have bought? Because whenever the all-time high broken, all news channel, WhatsApp, Telegram buzzing with the positivity that this level will come, this level. I mean, market will go up again. It will become two times, three times. People are talking about Sensex going to 2 lakh. Okay, so these are also the things, which creates euphoria. And whenever there is a euphoria, we need to be really cautious. And the data is in front of you. Daily selling in cash is not good, and market reverses most of the times after making a new high. Tomorrow first half is positive, be cautious in the second half. Second half could be reversal. I'm not saying it will be a brutal reversal, will broke the day low, but yes, some selling will be there, some profit booking will be there. That is a high possibility. How this thing will get invalid? When you will see a very tight range in the morning, then and we started to move up, then that move can go long way. But if we are moving 300, 400, 500 points in first 60 minutes, then reversal is very much likely. Okay, so these are the things, guys. Be positive for tomorrow, but be cautious. Because if you are someone who is holding longs and expecting some more fireworks, be light. Because this is the time you should be cautious. Because always remember, uh, it takes huge time to move the market up, but it takes no time to move the market low. Because you just have to press a button to sell your shares, and for buying you need real money. So these guys exiting is not a very good sign, and they are exiting at the top. So be cautious about it. Tomorrow, again, I'll summarize. Tomorrow we have a bullish data. We have very high chances that we will broke this high and go up. There will be reversal as per the data analysis. Market will reverse. It might go to the VWAP of the day, or maybe meet as the day low also. Okay, that is very unlikely, but that can be a possibility. Okay, and if you see, there is a aggressive sell. Okay, at the end of the day, but I think end of the day, uh, it's not valid. I mean, I don't consider end of the day volume a real volume. It has to come, during the day, during before 2 p.m. to be considered as serious volume. Okay, so have a profitable day tomorrow, guys. Don't go long below this level, or at least wait for this level to show up. Okay, location is very, very important. I always talk about location. If your location is not proper, you will not make money. Okay, and to be consistently making money in this market, choose a location very wisely. Don't trade in a zone where you don't find levels of, or big congestion or support resistance. Okay, So this is it for tomorrow. I'll be doing stock analysis also, but no time for that. Mm. We'll see you. Take care. Good night.